Hi Clay fans, I'm back. This is part 4 of my Christmas series. What do I have for you today, Chloe fans? I'll tell you a little secret. You might want to tell Santa to wrap this one up because it might be a little big for the Christmas stocking. Are you ready, Chloe fans? What do we have here, Chloe fans? We have my squishy little dumplings. These toys are so adorable, you can't resist. Let's open these and check them out. Chloe fans, these are quite special to open. When you open the lid, it should open up by itself. Let's try it. Look at this, Chloe fans. It has so many things you need to do. And it gives you all the instructions inside. This side says, learn about me. Let's open it. Wow, we have these. And it shows you all the accessories they have. Let's look at the other side. It says, let's play. This tells you it's mood. And it changes different colors in different moods. If it's loving, it will turn pink. And if it's silly, it will turn red. This says, play with me. And it gives you instructions how to play with it. If you scan with your phone here, it will show you a video. This last part here shows you your own Squishinary. Do you know what a Squishinary is, Chloe fans? I can tell you. It's your squishy's language. So you can understand what your squishy is saying. And the last part at the top is the accessories. It says, can you resist the squish? I can't. We have to play with this toy now. Close hands. So we unpack these little squishy dumplings. Look at these little accessories. I can't wait to try them on them. But first, let's squeeze them because I can't resist. Let's squeeze this one first. You want me to squeeze it again? Okay. Okay, it's starting up. My little dumpling, doo-doo-doo. Now, D. Okay, I just D. Oh, DC Lola. Oh my god, it's so cute. Ooh, we got that. So let's squeeze the dot. Oh, I got. Oh my goodness, it's golden. So let's put the accessories on. The accessories. One must be asleep. Wake up, little silly heads. Okay, now let's concentrate on the video. Okay. So. While I'm doing this video, I have to turn them off. They're very cute. They keep interrupting me. They're very interactive. So I found you're gonna have so much fun with these little cute squishy dumplings. I put a link on my video to learn how to play with these toys. So make sure you check that out. Do you know, Chloe fans, there's many more dumplings for you to play? Okay, Clay friends, I got to go. I'm gonna play all the whooshy little dumplings. I can't resist. Make sure you subscribe and watch my channel. Bye for now.
Are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.